Let us see the solution for this question. Here we have solved x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here this is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So the value of m is x square y. Similarly, the value of n is minus x cube plus y cube. Now partially differentiating m with respect to y. So x square is a constant for us. So x square into derivative of y is 1. So we'll get x square. Differentiating partially n with respect to x. So here I'll get, we have minus sign here. So derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of y cube is 0. So here we'll get minus 3x square. Since these two values are not same, that is dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x, it means that this given equation is not exact. The given equation is not exact. So to make it exact, we have to multiply integrating factor to this given equation so that it will become exact. Now here m is x square y. Here we have y power of 1. So 2 plus 1 3. So the degree of this m is 3. Here we have 3 3. So m and n are homogeneous functions. This m is a homogeneous function. This m is also homogeneous function of degree 3, degree 3. Since m and n are homogeneous function of same degree, then integrating factor will be 1 by mx plus ny. We know that if m n are homogeneous functions of same degree, then the integrating factor will be 1 by mx plus ny. So this will become 1 by m value is x square y into x plus n value. N value we have minus x square minus y cube. Minus x cube minus y cube into y. So here this will become 1 by x cube y. Multiply here, we'll get minus x cube y minus y power of 4. So these two terms will get cancelled. Here we have minus 1 by y power of 4. This is the value of integrating factor. Now we got the integrating factor. Multiply this integrating factor to the given equation. So it will become minus 1 by y power of 4 into, here we have x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy is equals to 0. Now multiply this, here it will become x square. Here we have y power of 1. So here I'll get y power of 3 dx plus minus into minus will become plus. Here we have x power of 3 by y power of 4 plus y power of 3 upon y power of 4 is 1 by y dy is equals to 0. Now this is exact differential equation. It is not required to calculate dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, but still we'll calculate. This is the first problem, so we'll see whether this becomes exact or not. So the value of this term is m. So m value is minus x square by y cube and n value is x power 3 by y power of 4 plus 1 by y. Now take partial derivative of m with respect to y. Here we have minus x square constant. We know that dou by dou y of 1 by y power of 3 can be written as dou by dou y of y power of minus 3. So it will become minus 3 into y power of minus 4. So here I will get minus 3 upon y power of 4. This will become 3x square by y power of 4. This is the value of dou m by dou y. Now here we have n. Differentiate n partially with respect to x. So here I will get 3x square by y power of 4 plus 0. So we have 3x square by y power of 4. Since these two values are same, dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. Now the condition is satisfied. The given equation becomes exact. This part is not required, but this is our first problem. That's why we are checking whether this becomes exact or not. Now, after making it exact, we'll integrate this. So apply integration minus x square by y cube dx plus integration x power of 3 by y power of 4 plus 1 by y dy is equals to constant. Now the condition for integration is, here we have dx, so treat y constant, here we have dy, ignore x containing terms. So y is a constant, so take minus 1 by y cube outside. Integration of x square dx value is x power of 3 by 3. Here x is there, so we'll neglect this term. Integration of 1 by y dy value is log y is equals to c. So this will become minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y is equals to c. This is the solution for this question. Now let us see the next question. It is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So the value of m is x square y minus 2xy square. N value is minus of x cube minus 3x square y. Differentiating m with respect to y. So x square is a constant. Differentiation of 1, y is 1 minus 2x constant. Derivative of y square is 2y. So I will get x square minus 4xy. This is the value of dou m by dou y. Similarly, integrate differentiating n with respect to x. Here we have minus sign outside. X cube derivative is 3x square. 3y is a constant. Derivative of x square is 2x. So this will become minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is 6x y. These two values are not same. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So this given equation is not exact. So the given equation is not exact. We want to make this equation exact. So here we have x power of 2, y power of 1. Degree is 3. Here we have x power of 1, y power of 2. Degree is 3. So this is homogeneous equation of degree 3. Similarly, here we have degree 3, x power 2, y power of 1. That is degree 3. So homogeneous equation. So both m, n are homogeneous functions of same degree, that is 3. So for homogeneous functions m or n, the integrating factor if value is 1 by mx plus ny. So this will become 1 by m value. M value is x square y minus 2x y square into x plus ny. So y value is y only, n value is minus x cube minus plus 3x square y. So here I'll get 1 by x cube y minus 2x square y square. So this will become minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. Now these two terms will get cancelled. Here we have x square y square, x square y square. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we'll get 1 by x square y square as the integrating factor. Multiply this integrating factor to the given equation so that it will become exact. Now we have 1 by x square y square into so we have to multiply integrating factor to the given equation. Now this will become x square cancel, 1y will get cancelled. Here I have 1 by y minus 2, 1x will get cancelled here. So y square cancel. So we will get dx. Now here I'll get minus x cube by x square. So I'll get x by y square. Minus into minus I'll get plus. Here we have 3 x square get cancelled. We have y by y square. So this will become y. This is the value of dy. Here take plus minus. Now this equation is exact. No need to check whether it is exact or not. Now integrating both sides. Here I have 0. So here I'll have integration 1 by y minus 2 by x dx plus integration minus x by y square plus 3 by y dy is equals to constant. Here dx is there, so treat y constant, dy is there, ignore x containing terms. So y is a constant, so 1 by y is outside. Integration 1 dx value is x minus 2. Integration 1 by x dx value is log x. Ignore x terms means we have to ignore this term. Then we have integration 3 outside, integration 1 by y dy is log y is equals to c. So finally we got x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y is equals to c. This is the solution. Let us see the solution for this question. It is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So the value of m is y cube minus 3x y square. N value is 2x square y minus x y square. Differentiating m partially with respect to y. So this will become 3y square minus 3x into y square derivative is 2y. So I'll get 3y square minus 6xy. differentiating n partially with respect to x. So here I'll get 2y constant, x square derivative is 2x minus y square is a constant, x derivative is 1. So I'll get 4xy minus y square. Since these two values are not same, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So the given equation is not exact. We'll convert the given equation into exact form by multiplying integrating factor. Now here we have y power of 3, x power of 1, y plus 2 means degree is 3 for each term. So this is a homogeneous equation. Here also first term is having degree 3, second term is also having degree 3. So this is homogeneous equations. Since both m and are homogeneous function of same degree, that is 3. So the integrating factor will be 1 by mx plus n y. This will become x into m, y cube minus 3xy square plus ny, that is y into n. N value is 2x square, y minus xy square. This will become 1 by xy cube minus 3x square y square plus 2x square y minus xy cube. Now this term will get cancelled. Here I have 2x square y square. So x square y square, x square y square. 3 minus 2 we have minus 1 by x square y square as the integrating factor. Multiply this integrating factor to this equation. Minus 1 by x square y square into y cube minus 3x y square dx plus 2x square y minus x y square dy is equals to 0. Now here I have minus y cube by y square, value is y by x square. Minus minus will become plus 3. X by x square, value is x. Y square by y square, value is 1. Dx. Now minus into plus will become minus 2. X square get cancelled. Y by y square, value is 2 by y. Now minus into minus will become plus x by x square is 1 by x. Y square by y square is cancelled. So here I have dy equal to 0. Now we got this equation. This is exact differential equation. We can verify whether it is exact or not by taking this is m or n. That is not required. Now just integrate minus y by x square plus 3 by x dx, integration minus 2 by y plus 1 by x dy equal to constant. Here dx is there, so take y as constant, ignore x containing terms for dy. So here minus y is a constant, integration of 1 by x square dx value is minus 1 by x. Remember this, integration of 1 by x square dx value is minus 1 by x, plus 3 is a constant, integration 1 by x dx value is log x, minus 2, integration 1 by y dy value is log y, ignoring x term. So if we ignore this term, we'll get 0 here. So the answer is y by x plus 3 log x minus 2 log y is equals to c. This is the solution.